So when I first got my printer, I only ordered refills from Bambu Labs, not looking or thinking that there was an option. So I had to print all my own spools. Now I made the mistake of printing them out of PLA and completely forgetting that fact. And I went to dry my filament thinking there was an issue with that and ended up with this. Completely, well, I guess not completely, but all slightly bent out of shape and warped, and now I am going to have to re-spool them in order to use them again. Or I was thinking I could probably just use single color on the side, but I don't know. If I need multicolor, I'll have to re-spool them. Otherwise, I can just throw them on the side. Let me know if this is happening to you. Hey everybody, it's Saturday night and I just got off work. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning and I had my PETG drying all day so I could make more spools for all the melted filament and probably for all the other spools I've got in the back too and all the rest that are in storage. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do with all my PLA spools because I have to redo them all now in PETG because I was an idiot, made them all in PLA, and now I can't dry them or they'll melt. Some art projects or something, let me know your ideas. For now, I'm going to get some new spools going so that when the new filament arrives on Wednesday, I will have something to put on them. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Alright, now that this is done, I can get to re-spooling the orange because I do have a print that I want to do with it, but it's a multi-print, so I can't do it there. I was going to use my nylon to make a new spool for the PETG I've got coming in because it's just a refill as well, but luckily I realized I already have a bamboo spool, so I just need to use this before the PETG gets here. And then I'll be good to go. I'll just use this. It's a reusable spool, so I think it'll work. It says it's temperature resistant to less than or equal to 70 degrees, and I only do 65 for the PETG to dry it, so I should be okay. And now I'm gonna get to respooling. Luckily, I printed this respooler as one of the first things I did when I first got the printer because I was an idiot and bought nothing but refills. It was not a good time. But yeah, so let's get to it. And now it's respooled. Quick and easy. Alright, it's the end of the week and it's time to recap how things went. Sorry for the short video, but I'm pretty sure most of my filament needs drying and I had a wrench thrown into the works. We haven't been to any markets recently just because my wife started her new job, so we've been focusing on that for a bit and trying to just fit that into our schedule and the markets. So we've got a few coming up real soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. I decided to wait another week before going to the Purple Hippo because I saw them post a new vendor spotlight for us on Facebook and that was pretty cool, and we wanted to give that some time to bring in some more business, so hoping that attracts some attention, and we'll check it next week and give you guys an update then, promise. I did forget to tell you guys in the last video that we got our first sale on Etsy and we got a 5-star rating on that, so that was pretty cool. The customer used it in a creative way and that was really cool. It was one of our egg turners for Easter, but they're still up there, so that was really awesome. We decided to stop the ads and redo all the photos on Etsy because we're getting a lot of traffic but no sales, other than the one obviously. So something's not working, so we're gonna rethink that and try again. Definitely keep an eye out for those changes. The Jellyfish is available to print on Maker World, and I've entered in a contest, so wish me luck.
I have more filament coming in next week, and I added in the Maker's Beginner Kit that I got a coupon for doing the Bambu Academy stuff. That'll be in next week's video, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that. And since you're already this far in the video, you may as well hit the like button while you're down there. That's all for this week, so as always, peace, love, and later days.